Look at that, his tail just keeps on breaking off. Where is it? That's so weird. And that's how you feed your chickens lizards. Look at that. She loves them lizards, she loves fish. Look at that, gone. The whole lizard's gone. I know, good job. Good job.